Hi everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change lip color on Snapchat. It's very easy and simple. So to do that, go ahead and open up Snapchat application. Now once you open Snapchat, the camera will open and on the top left corner you can see little profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Here on the top left corner you can see the gear icon, which is also represented as setting. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you can see the option Bitmoji. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on edit my Bitmoji. So here, in order to change the lip color, what we can do is change the skin tone first. So for instance, I'll choose blue. So here, as you can see on my screen, if I change my skin color to blue, my lips is also been changed. My avatar or my Bitmoji lip color is also blue. So it is according to the skin tone. Color that you kept will be also your lip color. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.